Affiliate marketing is a simple way to earn money online. It involves promoting products or services from other companies. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Think of it as a referral program. You recommend something you like, and you get paid for it. If they buy using your link, you get a percentage of the sale. This is how affiliate marketing works. It's low risk and high reward. Find products you believe in and share them. With the right approach, you can make a substantial income. Let's dive into one of the best platforms for affiliate marketing. PartnerStack. PartnerStack is a top choice for affiliate marketers. It stands out for several reasons. First, it offers high-quality partners. These are reputable companies with great products. This makes it easier to promote and sell. Secondly, PartnerStack offers high commissions. This means you earn more for each sale. High commissions can significantly boost your income. It's one of the main reasons many marketers choose PartnerStack. Another key feature is the user-friendly dashboard. PartnerStack's dashboard is easy to navigate. It provides all the tools you need to manage your affiliate marketing efforts. From tracking sales to analyzing performance, everything is in one place. Lastly, PartnerStack offers excellent support. If you have any questions or run into issues, their support team is there to help. This makes the platform ideal for beginners and experienced marketers alike. Getting started with PartnerStack is easy. First, you need to sign up. Go to the PartnerStack website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your details and create an account. It's a straightforward process. Once you've signed up, you'll need to set up your profile. This includes adding payment details and selecting your preferred payment method. Make sure all your information is accurate. This ensures you get paid on time. After setting up your profile, explore the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the different sections. Check out the available partner programs. Take your time to understand how everything works. This will make your experience smoother. Next, apply to partner programs that interest you. Each program has its own application process. Some may require additional information. Be honest and detailed in your applications. This increases your chances of approval. Choosing the right partner programs is crucial. Start by looking for programs that align with your interests. Promoting products you believe in is easier and more genuine. Your audience will trust your recommendations more. Consider the commission structure. Different programs offer different commission rates. Some pay a flat fee per sale. Others offer a percentage of the sale. Choose programs that offer competitive commissions. This will maximize your earnings. Brand reputation is another important factor. Partner with reputable brands. This adds credibility to your recommendations. Research each brand before applying. Make sure they have a good track record and positive reviews. Lastly, consider the support and resources provided by the program. Good programs offer marketing materials and support. This can make promoting their products easier. Look for programs that invest in their affiliates' success. Section 5. Promoting affiliate links effectively. Promoting affiliate links effectively is key to success. Start with your blog. Write detailed reviews and tutorials. Use your affiliate links naturally within the content. Make sure your posts are informative and engaging. YouTube is another great platform. Create videos showcasing the products. Share your personal experiences and tips. Include your affiliate links in the video description. Encourage viewers to click on the links. Social media is also powerful. Share your affiliate links on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Use eye-catching images and compelling captions. Engage with your audience and answer their questions. Email marketing can be effective too. Build an email list of interested subscribers. Send regular updates and promotions. Include your affiliate links in the emails. Make sure your emails provide value and are not just sales pitches. Section 6. Tracking performance with PartnerStack. Tracking performance is crucial in affiliate marketing. PartnerStack makes this easy with its analytics dashboard. The dashboard provides detailed insights into your performance. You can see how many clicks and sales your links generate. Use this data to understand what works and what doesn't. Identify your top-performing links and focus on promoting them more. If certain links are underperforming, analyze why and make necessary adjustments. The dashboard also shows your earnings. You can track your commissions in real time. This helps you stay motivated and see the results of your efforts. Regularly check your earnings to ensure everything is accurate. Another useful feature is the ability to track your progress over time. You can see trends and patterns in your performance. Use this information to optimize your strategies. Continuous improvement is key to long-term success in affiliate marketing. Section 7. Scaling your affiliate marketing efforts. Scaling your affiliate marketing efforts involves several strategies. Start by creating more content. The more content you have, the more opportunities to promote your links. Focus on high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Building a community is another effective strategy. Engage with your audience through comments, social media, and email. Create a sense of belonging and trust. A loyal community is more likely to use your affiliate links. Optimizing conversion rates is crucial. Test different strategies to see what works best. This could include changing your call to action, improving your content, or targeting different keywords. Small changes can lead to significant improvements. Consider collaborating with other influencers or marketers. Joint promotions can expand your reach. Partner with others who have a similar audience. This can lead to more clicks and sales for your affiliate links. Section 8. Content creation for affiliate marketing. Content creation is a vital part of affiliate marketing. Start by identifying your target audience. Understand their needs and interests. Create content that addresses these needs. This will attract and engage your audience. Write detailed product reviews. Share your personal experiences and honest opinions. Include pros and cons to provide a balanced view. Use your affiliate links naturally within the review. This builds trust with your audience. Tutorials and how-to guides are also effective. Show your audience how to use the products. Provide step-by-step instructions. Use images and videos to make the guides more engaging. Include your affiliate links as part of the tutorial. Regularly update your content. Keep it fresh and relevant. Update old posts with new information. This keeps your audience engaged and improves your search engine rankings. Consistent content creation is key to long-term success. Section 9. Building a community around your affiliate business. Building a community is essential for long-term success. Start by engaging with your audience. Respond to comments and messages. Show genuine interest in their feedback. This builds trust and loyalty. Use social media to connect with your audience. Create a Facebook group or Instagram page. Share valuable content and updates. Encourage discussions and interactions. A strong social media presence can boost your affiliate marketing efforts. Host webinars and live sessions. Share your knowledge and experiences. Answer questions and provide tips. This positions you as an expert in your niche. It also provides an opportunity to promote your affiliate links. Offer exclusive deals and discounts to your community. Partner with brands to provide special offers. This incentivizes your audience to use your affiliate links. It also shows that you value and appreciate their support. Section 10. Final tips for long-term success. Persistence and consistency are key. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time and effort. Stay committed and update your knowledge. The landscape is constantly evolving. Stay informed about trends and strategies. This helps you stay ahead. Network with other marketers. Join online communities and forums. Share experiences and learn from others. Networking provides valuable insights. Always provide value to your audience. Focus on helping them, not just sales. This builds trust and loyalty. A loyal audience supports your efforts. Affiliate marketing can be lucrative. With the right approach, anyone can succeed. Start today towards financial